Hey there, I was sent over these silicone utensils to test and try out. These come in handy for a number of reasons. For one, they are not going to scratch my good pots and pans because they're silicone, so they're nice and soft and perfect for not scratching up those pots and pans. They are heat resistant up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 230 degrees Celsius. There are two spatulas. You get the one with the holes in it, as well as the one that is solid all the way across. And they are beveled, which is nice. It helps me get up under that food and lift it up to either flip it or take it out of the pan, whatever is going on. The one with the holes is also beveled. Easy grip handle. It's got silicone up at the top, so it's not going to get hot. They have hangers if you are the type that hangs utensils up. The spoons, again, a slotted spoon as well as a solid spoon. They are angled, which allows for plenty of food to be held on the spoons. And again, you have some silicone handles and hangers. They are BPA-free, they are non-toxic, they are non-stick. They have high heat resistance temperature-wise. If you're looking for a set of silicone utensils that can help you handle a number of cooking tasks at home, I hope this helps you decide on if this is a good product for you.